Ready to transform that Apple gift card into awesome Fortnite gear and battle passes. First, let's redeem that gift card. Open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. It's the blue icon with the white to make sure you're logged into your Apple ID. This is crucial, as the funds will be tied to that account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a photo or your initials. In the account menu, you'll see an option labeled Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap on that. Now, you have two choices. You can use your camera to scan the gift card, or you can manually enter the code if scanning. Position the gift card within the frame if entering. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears. After successful redemption, you'll see a confirmation message and your Apple ID balance will be updated with the gift card amount. Time for Fortnite. Launch the game and head to the Bucks purchase screen. You'll find the Bucks icon at the top of the screen. Select the Bucks package you want when prompted for payment. Your Apple ID balance will be the default option. Confirm your purchase. Boom! Now you can treat yourself to new skins, battle passes, and all sorts of cool items to enhance your Fortnite adventure. Enjoy your upgraded gaming experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fortnite tips and tricks.